What's up, y'all? It is Bella, back testing with Bella, Big Bella Benz, TradingBae. You know what I'm saying? I always try to start my video off being goofy. Like, I feel like traders, y'all be too serious for me. Like, as a trader, you don't gotta be serious all the time. Like, you can be a little fun and games. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, today I am going to be doing a live walkthrough with the tickers SPY and SPX. You guys know I trade SPX every fucking day and I don't miss. You know what I'm saying? So I'm doing a live walkthrough today to just basically just tell you guys and show you guys how I use the ICT concepts in the Strat. So before I get into the live video, I'm going to actually go to my TradingView account and show you guys my setup before the trade played out, because I didn't necessarily mark it all the way because I was on the phone with the bank. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had to make sure my check was right. So yeah, that kind of fucked it up, but just making it smaller. So I have the live trade video, but I'm going to show you guys, like, if the market was currently looking like this. Let's just say if it was 10:18 in the morning. Let's just say if it was 10:15 in the morning, you're going to do your top-down analysis. So with the top-down analysis, what day is this from? So I used the previous day because we're just going in from. So I used the previous day, lows and highs on a daily. I went down to the 4-hour chart. I'm like, okay, it's rejecting a fair value gap. It could possibly go to the downside if it wants. And then I went to the hour chart. I like this fair value gap here. I like this fair value gap here. I liked it from 394 all the way up until almost 397 because that was like a noticeable fair value gap. But one thing I know about fair value gaps, and also one thing I know about breaking structures, it always goes back to retest it. So this is on a 1-hour chart. I also like this breaking structure fair value gap there. So I also had a mark there just in case if it chose to go to the downside. So here on the 30-minute chart, it was a break of structure, and it also was a 2-2 bearish reversal. So somewhere, I don't know. I really liked it from here. I was in my trade from 394.50 because I seen the way it rejected the hourly fair value gap. So I was in a bit early from the Strat entry, what the Strat entry would have been, but that's fine because I know exactly why I was in. So from somewhere around here, so from 394.50, it was rejecting the hourly fair value gap, and it looked to be taking out the previous day's low. So I was like, okay, cool, then it's puts right now. So I hopped my puts. Then going down to the 5-minute chart, you guys can see, like, it was real stagnant. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's already 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes. So 40 minutes is staying in this one area. You ain't breaking above. Like, that ain't what you want to do. So I was like, okay, cool. It doesn't look to be taking out the upside liquidity. So instead, I went to the sell side. I'm like, okay, cool. It's going to take out the sell side liquidity. And then also, I went to the 2-minute chart. You guys know how we do 2-minute chart for entries. So I wasn't necessarily entered here yet because that's at 94.73. I was entered on that next candle. I was entered here. So 94.42, 94.50, it's the same shit. But now we're about to get into the live trade, and you guys just gonna see how everything plays out. So just going away from this and going to my live trade. Let's get into it. So you guys only gonna see this on one time frame because I was on the phone with the bank, so it's kind of like, yeah, I could have did it better or whatever. But you know what I'm saying? Like, at least I recorded my shit so I can show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I said. Kind of no storage, ghetto. I knew I would take some shit to my grave. So you guys see here, I started recording it late, but I did put in from where I got in at. So I got in around 394.40. So right now it's at 393.80. You guys gonna see how I mark my levels on how it's gonna take out the sell side liquidity. So get into it. So here I marked the level at 393. That was my first target. Second target was a little low. It was at 391.95. Then again, that ain't low. That's just like $1 down. But you guys know if you traded SPX, this is like $20 down. Cause like for every dollar on SPY, it's like $10 on SPX. So you know you're going crazy. I didn't even notice that I had put my levels different. So I want you guys to just get a feel like in a real time on how the market works. Like this is 10 minutes, but in the real market, it'll seem like a long ass time. So you gotta know how to have your conviction. Like even when the stock go up, you gotta know like it's gonna go down. As long as it doesn't pass the high of the previous candle, like you're good to stay in your shit, right? And even sometimes if there's a TTO, even if it rejects quickly, then you'll know like, okay, I'm safe. And then remember, we're looking at this reject the 1 hour fair value gap. So it's clearly not taking out the buy side liquidity. So it's going to take out the sell side. You know, I can listen to my music a little loud today because, you know, we just watching a walkthrough. Oh, no, it is not doing this. Girl, I know you're so tired, baby. I love watching the chart go my way. If you was in place from 394.50, hey. Honestly, I could have been in from 395, but I like to play my shit safe. Like I don't just be doing anything in the market. That ain't who I am. You know what I'm saying? That ain't who I am. So y'all already know when it was going down. I was like, yeah, my shit hit. Yeah, my shit hit. It always hit. You know what I'm saying? It always hit. I be hitting them target points. And I'm saying, like, some traders, they be going for like 100%, 300% a day. Oh, yeah, look at how that shit's dropping. Look at how it's dropping. Yeah. Matter of fact, let me change the vibe. Let me change the music because, you know, I gotta be hype when my target points hit. I gotta be hype. Because everybody ain't no winning trader like me. So, you know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and change the vibe. Let me go ahead and change the vibe real quick. Yeah, y'all see how that shit is going? Y'all see how that's going? So we got 2 more minutes in this 5-minute candle. Like I said, I only put it for one time frame. You know what I'm saying? Because I was on the phone with Bang. I was trying to make sure my shit right. So, you know what I'm saying? I know they mad as fuck. So yeah, you know what I'm saying. I forgot what I was talking about earlier before I had switched the vibe, but I do like how my shit just be hitting. Like when it hit like this, I be like, fuck everybody. I hit this shit. Like I don't need to be in no Discord, nigga. I'm my own Discord. I'm my own learner. I like my own shit. So yeah, it is rejecting off the 1 hour fair value gap. I did show you guys that in the beginning how it rejected. It rejected. And it went to exactly where I had my target points. I'm gonna tell y'all must always respect your target points. Oh, so that's what I was talking about. Some traders be shooting for like 100%, 300%. While that could be possible if you're trading SPX, if you're a beginner trader, just daily compound. You know what I'm saying? Take your shit slow. You're gonna be a millionaire either way it goes. So it's just best that you worry about your own journey. Don't worry about nobody else's journey. Don't worry about what nobody else got going on, because ain't nobody put money in your pocket but you. You the only nigga put money in your pocket, so don't even worry about what other people got going on. Look at my shit hit. Y'all know I was hype. Y'all already know I was hype as hell. Y'all already know how I get. Because y'all already know, like, pop my collar on too smooth for this shit, like, said. That's exactly how I feel it. Trade my stocks. Trade my stocks. That's exactly how I feel when I hit the target points. So we got 40 more seconds in this 5-minute candle. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta be patient. Like, Nothing right here was alerting me to get out yet. Nothing. Like nothing. Nothing was like, oh, you need to hurry up and sell your calls. Because guess what? It's like going straight down. Like it's not passing the previous candle. Like you guys do see it going up and down in between the 5 minutes. But this is where you got to come in and be strong as a trader. Look how that shit just went from 340 to 36, 0.40 to 0.60. Then it went back down to 0.40. Now it's at 0.37 right now. This is why you got to be patient. And this is why I'm even doing a little live trade, because I can't just be doing back testing and then, you know, y'all all used to back testing. Like, you got to be patient in the real market and just know how that shit go. Like, the market don't go shoo, shoo. The market goes shoo, shoo, down. Like, that's what that should be doing. So, you got to know how to be patient. So, yeah. Look, somebody would have been fooled right there. Nothing right there told you to get out. When the candle went blue, nothing told you to get out. It did not pass the previous candle's high. Even if that shit went like 50% in between, then all right, cool. You got to be on the lookout. But nothing right here tells you to get out. Like, nothing. And then even if you do, like, question your conviction, sometimes you got to go to the higher time frame and get the overall picture. You guys seen in the beginning how I did my top-down analysis. Like, I was serious about my shit. I went from the daily to the 4 hour to the 1 hour, looked at the 30, went to the 15 minute, 5 minute, went down to the 2 minute. Everything I'm always talking about. So first target hit. I recorded my shit. Like, I'm showing nothing but proof. Nothing but results. Like, that's what I'm going to do. So it's currently down to 392.80, 392.80, 0.79. I'm lit. Look at how it's dropping. Y'all know I was hyped. I was on the phone with the thing like, yeah. Like, y'all already know, like, you can do this daily. This is ITT and Strat concepts, and this ain't even all of ICT. This is a fair value guy. Like, it did break the structure. You guys seen how it broke the structure somewhere under 393.80. So that's another indicator. Like, okay, it's gonna go down a little bit more. So that's how I knew I was safe for my first and second target. But one thing about breaking structures, it always do come back up and retest it. So you got to be careful with breaking structures. You know what I'm saying? Because most likely it will go and retest it, right? And also, I'm gonna start getting into some new ICT concepts, like, you know, like discount premiums, everything, like, because that's not really what I be talking about in my video. Look at how this dropped. 0.50 is a psychological number. Once it went to 0.50, I already knew. Wild and don't give a 100K, it ain't enough. How can you niggas hate me? I've been showing double love, yeah. Hey, damn, you look good. I say, nah, I look great. Hey, skin like honey with a cold bottle shade. I ain't gonna lie, as a beginner trader, I would have been in my shit panicking. But now that I know how to read the chart and I know exactly what the fuck going on, I just set my targets and I'm good. Like, I'm lit. Nothing in here is convicting me or telling me that I need to get out my trade right now. That's why I'm still holding it down to the next high point. So getting in from 394.40 all the way down to 392, it's already down over $1. It's already down $2. $2 on a 0-day SPY, you good. You're good. You're way over 50%, honey. You're way over 50%, honey. You know what I'm saying? 0.23, 0.18. Let's go. Yeah, so you know what I'm saying? Like, don't let the pop-ups fool you. Trust me, you gotta learn psychological numbers in the market too. You know what I'm saying? You could get this shit. I got it. Yeah. I actually like Babyface Ray. Like, I don't know y'all listen to him, but he's from Detroit, so y'all probably want to listen to him because Can't get you hyped when you trade in the market. Come on. Come on. You know I was hyped. Y'all know I was hyped. Come on. Y'all know I was happy. But I'm a real no cap. She a butt, then a trapper, huh? In the market, you just gotta take your shit. Like, as a trader, it's all about managing your risk. Like, manage your shit. Don't never be afraid to trade. Because somebody would have been afraid to get in at 394.50. You would have missed the whole move because you were afraid. Like, if you take a little small L, as long as you're managing your risk, you good. You good. You're good. Look at that. So both my target points were hit. I was out of my trade where it went. As soon as it went to my second point, I was out of my trade. I respect my stops and I respect my target points because I know what it is. And there's always money to be made in the market. You know what I'm saying? So this was my trade for today. That is my live trade. And I want you guys to watch how this bounce up real quick into the fair value gap. Like, y'all see how it's going up now? Oh Lord, oh Lord. Y'all already know I'm putting tight. Y'all already know I'm putting tight. Y'all know I'm putting tight. Ah! Y'all already know I'm putting tight. Target points hit. My target points always get hit. That's just what the fuck be going on in the market with me. I'm a real pop star. Hey, hey, hey. So yeah, I was very hyped about that. So that was my trade for today. I'm a little trade for today. So yeah, I'll be back with another video tomorrow. This was my live trading walkthrough, and if y'all like it, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I lit every day. I'm not one of them serious, boring ass traders. That is not me. I get lit. I get turned. I get hyped, and that's just who I am. So I'm not changing me. So yeah, that's the video for today. That was all 11 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So have a great day, guys, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Stay blessed.